Hello everyone! Today let's break down how JavaScript Iterator helpers work line by line. First, let's create a unique collection of wedding guests using a JavaScript set, which automatically prevents and duplicates names. Next, we call a values on our set to extract a native iterator. This is the key that unlocks all the new helper methods. Now we start chaining. We open a new variable called VIPs and we immediately type filter to check if a name starts with the letter A. Alice will pass this test, but Bob is dropped instantly. Right after the filter, we type map to convert the matching names to uppercase. So Alice transforms into capital letters on the fly. Next we add take with number 2. This tells JavaScript stop looking at the exact moment it finds two matches. It saves memory because it completely ignores Alex at the end of our list. Finally, we close the chain with toArray. This packs our filtered uppercase names into a standard JavaScript array that we can actually use. Let's print our VIPs variable to the console, run the code, and there it is, a perfect array with Alice and Anna. Fast, clean and memory efficient.